All right, let's dive in. We're tackling multimodal AI today.
Sound good.
It's a topic a lot of you have been asking about.
Yeah, it's definitely a hot one.
And for good reason.
Yeah.
This stuff is straight out of science fiction, but it's actually happening now.
It really is. It's amazing how quickly this field is advancing.
So let's break it down. What is multimodal AI in a nutshell? It's basically teaching AI to be more like us, humans.
I like that.
Using multiple senses at the same time.
Right.
Think about it. We use our sight, hearing, touch all together to understand the world.
Exactly.
Traditional AI was usually good at just one thing, like understanding text or recognizing images.
Yeah.
But multimodal AI, it's like the ultimate multitasker.
That's a great way to put it. It's really about bringing together all these different types of data.
Yeah.
Like text, images, audio, even video.
Right.
And processing them all at once to get a much deeper understanding.
And this is where it gets really interesting.
Oh, yeah.
In the research you shared, there was this example of a smartphone app that could actually look at a picture and generate a description of it.
Interesting.
Not just identify objects, but actually describe the scene.
Yes, and that's really just scratching the surface.
Wow.
Think about virtual assistants that can not only hear your commands, but also see what you're pointing at.
So cool.
Or self-driving cars that use cameras, radar, and LiDAR to navigate.
It's like giving them superhuman perception.
Exactly, it is.
So we're not just talking about making technology smarter. We're talking about making it more intuitive. Like it can actually start to understand the world the way we do.
That's the real power of multimodal AI.
Okay.
It's about making technology more natural, more human-like.
More human-like.
In its ability to interact and respond.
And that opens up a whole world of possibilities.
It really does.
So I'm already seeing the potential here. But let's talk about the why.
Okay, the why.
Why should we care about multimodal AI?
Because it has the potential to change everything. Think about healthcare. Quicker, more comprehensive diagnoses. Imagine AI analyzing medical images, patient records, even data from wearables.
Wow, all at once?
All at once to catch things early and provide more personalized treatment.
Ooh, okay, that's huge.
Yeah.
And what about other areas like entertainment? I'm guessing this could lead to some pretty mind-blowing experiences.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Imagine virtual reality experiences that are so immersive.
Yeah.
So realistic, it's like stepping into another world.
I could see it.
Or interactive stories that adapt to your choices and emotions in real time.
Wow.
Multimodal AI could redefine what it means to be entertained.
All right, I'm sold on the why. This stuff is incredible.
Oh, right.
But I have to ask, what about the challenges?
Sure.
I mean, building these super smart AI systems can't be easy.
You're right. There are definitely hurdles.
Okay.
One of the biggest is the sheer amount of data needed to train these AIs effectively.
So much data.
You're talking massive data sets of text, images, audio. It's a data feast.
And I bet that raises some questions about data privacy.
It does.
Especially when you're dealing with things like medical records.
Absolutely. That's a crucial consideration.
Yeah.
As we develop these powerful AI systems, we need to ensure that data is handled responsibly and ethically.
So while there are definitely challenges, it sounds like the potential benefits are just too big to ignore.
I think so.
I mean, we're talking about transforming healthcare, entertainment, and so much more.
It's a truly exciting time to be following this technology.
For sure.
The advancements are happening at lightning speed, and the applications seem limitless.
Okay, so now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into some real-world examples.
Great.
Let's see how multimodal AI is already making a difference in the world today.
Let's do it. One area where we're seeing some incredible breakthroughs is in autonomous vehicles.
Okay, autonomous vehicles.
And it's not just about self-driving cars anymore.
Right.
We're talking about drones, delivery robots, even autonomous ships.
Wait, autonomous ships?
Yeah.
That's a whole other level.
It is.
But yeah, it makes sense. All those vehicles rely on multiple data sources to navigate safely.
Exactly. Think about a self-driving car.
Okay.
It needs to process data from cameras,
Yeah.
radar, LiDAR, GPS, all at the same time
No.
to make split-second decisions.
Multimodal AI is making that possible.
It is.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm starting to see how this technology is really weaving its way into our lives.
It is, yeah.
But let's talk about something a little closer to home.
Okay.
Literally. I'm fascinated by the idea of smart homes becoming even smarter.
Oh, absolutely. Smart homes are a prime example of how multimodal AI can create seamless, intuitive experiences.
So like what? I could just walk into my house and it would know exactly what I want. That's like something out of a movie.
Imagine your home adjusting the lighting,
That's
temperature, even playing your favorite music based on your mood.
It's about creating a truly personalized environment.
Yeah, exactly.
I have to admit, that sounds amazing.
It's cool stuff.
But what about education? You mentioned AI tutors earlier. How is multimodal AI changing the way we learn?
This is an area I'm particularly excited about.
Oh, yeah.
Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor
Okay.
that can adapt to their individual needs.
So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach,
Yeah,
you get a learning experience that's tailored just for you.
precisely.
That's pretty incredible.
It is.
Okay, so this isn't just about making learning easier.
No.
It's about making it more effective.
Absolutely.
It's about helping every student reach their full potential.
That's the goal.
And it's not just about traditional subjects.
Right.
Imagine AI-powered tools that could help you develop your musical talents,
Yes.
create stunning works of art, or write captivating stories.
It's incredible.
Multimodal AI is about unlocking creative potential in everyone.
I love that.
All right, I'm seeing a theme here. It's about personalization,
Uh-huh.
intuition,
Yeah.
and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Exactly.
But I have to ask, with all these advancements, are there any potential downsides?
Of course, with any powerful technology, there are always considerations.
Right.
As these AI systems become more integrated into our lives,
Yeah.
we need to think about things like security and reliability.
That's true. I mean, we're
Right.
essentially putting a lot of trust in these AI systems to make decisions, to understand us,
Uh-huh.
even to control things in our homes and cars.
That's right.
That's a big responsibility.
It is. And that's why it's so crucial
Yeah.
that these systems are designed with security and transparency in mind.
Okay.
We need to be able to understand how they work, how they're making decisions,
I see.
and have safeguards in place to prevent unintended consequences.
So, while there are always challenges to overcome, it seems like the potential benefits of multimodal AI are just too significant to ignore.
I think that's a fair assessment.
Yeah.
This technology is evolving rapidly,
Uh-huh.
and it's already having a profound impact on our world.
Okay, so we've talked about the what and the why of multimodal AI. We've seen how it's being used in everything from self-driving cars to personalized education.
It's amazing.
But now I want to look ahead.
Okay.
What does the future hold for this game-changing technology? It feels like we're really on the verge of something big here.
I think
A
so.
whole new era of technology, one where AI isn't just a tool,
Yeah,
but almost a partner in our lives.
that's a great way to put it.
Speaking of partners,
Hmm.
remember that example we talked about earlier, AI being used for content creation?
Yes.
That's something I'm really curious about.
Yeah.
Imagine, AI tools that can help artists create music or writers craft stories.
It's already happening, you know?
Yes.
We have AI generating images, composing music, even writing scripts.
Oh, wow.
But what's really fascinating is the potential for collaboration
Collaboration, okay.
between humans and AI.
So it's not about AI replacing human creativity,
No,
but rather augmenting it.
exactly.
Almost like having a creative partner to bounce ideas off of.
Precisely.
That's pretty mind-blowing. And it makes me wonder,
Yeah.
if AI can already do all this, what's next? Where does multimodal AI go from here?
That's the big question.
It is.
I think we'll see these systems continue to get even more powerful and sophisticated.
So even smarter AI
Yeah,
that can process information faster,
right.
understand us better, and create even more amazing things.
Absolutely. But I also think we're going to see multimodal AI become more integrated into our daily lives.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Imagine, like a world where your home, your car, your workplace
Yeah.
all seamlessly connect and respond to your needs through AI.
Okay, now that sounds both exciting and a little bit scary.
I know, right?
It's a lot of trust we're putting in these systems.
Right, it is.
Yeah.
And that's why it's so important to have these conversations,
Although.
about the ethical implications of AI,
Okay.
about data privacy,
Hmm.
and about ensuring that these technologies are developed responsibly.
It's like we're standing at a crossroads. Multimodal AI has this incredible potential to improve our lives,
Yes,
but it also comes with big responsibilities.
I think that's a great way to sum it up.
Yeah,
It's up to all of us to ensure that AI is used for good,
right.
to create a future where technology empowers us and helps us to reach our full potential.
Well, I think we've covered a lot of ground today.
Right.
From the basics of multimodal AI to its real-world applications.
Yeah,
And even what the future might hold. It's been quite a journey.
it has. I hope our listeners enjoyed diving into the world of multimodal AI with us today.
Before we wrap up,
Yeah.
I just want to say that I'm walking away from this conversation feeling incredibly inspired.
Me too.
Multimodal AI is a powerful tool,
It is.
and it's up to us to shape how it's used.
I couldn't agree more. It's a future full of possibilities,
Yeah.
and I'm excited to see what we all create together.
And on that note, we'll leave you with this.
Right.
Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.
Good advice.
Thanks for joining us.